In the course of your investigation, did you ascertain that prior in the day, there had been a lunch meeting between Sheriff Steins and Judge Mullins?
There was.
Pardon?
There was.
So where did this take place?
It's a restaurant called Street Side, and it's just down the street from the courthouse.
Are you aware of anything so far in your investigation that would tell us there was any issues at lunch between Judge
No,
Mullins and Sheriff Steins?
no,
And there was nothing unusual that had arisen during that luncheon?
I was told that the judge made a statement to Mickey about, do we need to meet private in my chambers? That's all I was told.
Do you know the context of
I do,
what the conversation was before that they would need to discuss in chambers?
I do not.
So it's my understanding that in the larger portion of the video that we haven't had access to, that there is a point when Sheriff Steins asked for to see the telephone of Judge Mullins.
Yes,
Is that a yes? I mean,
yes,
yes, okay. And I would presume that you and the other officers you mentioned, when you secured the scene, that you secured those phones as well. Is that correct?
yes.
And have you reviewed both of those phones?
They're currently at the forensic lab at this time being downloaded. I have had discussions with the people at the lab regarding the downloads.
Are you aware of any recent content that was up and could have been relevant at the time of their discussion?
I was told that Sheriff Steins had tried to call his daughter, and he had tried to call his daughter from the judge's phone also.
So have you obtained the phone records from Judge Mullins's phone?
I don't have those in my possession yet. No.
Okay, have you issued a search
Yeah,
warrant for them?
Yes,
Okay, and have officers confirmed that the sheriff's daughter's phone number was on Judge Mullins's phone?
yes.
Okay,
So, yes.
so that number had been called from Judge Mullins's phone, is
Yes.
that correct?
Yes,
Did you conduct an interview with Sheriff Stein's daughter?
I did not, but she has been interviewed.
Did you personally observe Sheriff Stein's following this video?
Did I personally observe him once?
Did you meet with him? Did you talk to him after?
He was in custody when I arrived at the courthouse that afternoon.
All right, and at some point, did you draw any observation about his demeanor?
He was mostly calm, I thought. I mean, I talked to him, but not, he didn't say nothing about why this had happened, but he was calm. He was kind of afraid that basically all he said was, treat me fair. That's basically the comments he made. I wasn't present, but when he was taken into custody, I was told by one of the other officers that were there that he made the comment, they're trying to kidnap my wife and kid.
Have you ascertained any evidence that this shooting was pre-planned?
No.
Okay.
Not at this time.
Does it appear that this took place as a reaction to what was happening in the chambers at that point?
I can say it occurred after a phone call was made. I don't know what was said or nothing like that.